everyone! So if you came from the BPO industry and now want to transition into the online industry, kaya lang sobrang zero experience ka sa pagiging VA, what should you do? Ano ba yung mga kailangan mong gawin? Ano ba yung mga bagay na dapat mong malaman? And most importantly, how can you utilize the skills that you already have? How can you use yung mga skills na natutunan mo from your BPO experience so that you can use and leverage that sa online industry? That's what I'm going to teach you in this tutorial today. So join me. I'm Chi Suarez, and this is Remote Moms Movement. Now, before we go on over and discuss the steps, kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel, I do invite you to subscribe to the channel because we upload a new video every week for your freelancing needs. I also came from the BPO industry and I spent almost a decade sa industriya na yon. At the same time, I've been working from home as a remote contractor for almost a decade na rin. So I could say na I've experienced the best of both worlds, and I will show you how you can merge them together, how you can smoothly transition given the skills that you already have into this new industry that you wanted to pursue or you wanted to go into. So let's begin. So if this is my first time to transition, like let's say kare-resign ko lang sa BPO work ko and I'm now exploring the online industry, this is actually what I'm going to do. The very first thing that I'm going to do is to list down all the skills that I have. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Google Sheets, but it's all up to you. Kung mas comfortable ka with Excel, then it's fine. You can do it there as well. So the very first thing that I will list is yung mga support na alam kong gawin. I'll say phone support, email support, chat support, text support, sales, back office. So the idea here is for you to go broad muna. Ano ba yung mga support na alam mong gawin? Once na na-list down na natin yung mga support, we're going to drill down to each and every support that we know. So let's say inbound, outbound, customer service, retention, collections, ganon. So, and then we'll do it for the rest of the other supports then. So for email, customer support then, for example. Sa chat, let's say IP relay, voice to text. Sa text support, ano yung mga, alam mo rin, same thing na din. Let's say, you know how to do programming, troubleshooting, networking, installation, etc., etc. For sales, ano yung mga ginagawa mo sa sales? So, let's say cold calling, marketing, selling, after sales, lead generation. For back office, ano ba yung mga support mo na ginagawa for back office? Let's say admin, HR, financials. So anything na relevant doon sa support na yan, you list it down. We're going to drill it down some more. Ano-ano ba yung mga accounts na nahawakan mo? Let's say telecoms, let's say travel, credit card. For email support, let's say products or services. Sa tech, DSL, cable, sales, ganun din, lagay mo din ng mga accounts. For back office, ano ba? Usually healthcare, banking, fraud, payroll. And then, ano pa ba yung mga information na pwede pa natin makuha sa experience natin? Ano pa yung mga alam natin? We can also list down the tools that we know how to use. So, sa phone support, ano ba yung mga ginagamit natin? Avaya, CRM. And then you drill down. Ano ba yung mga alam mong CRM? Let's say Salesforce. For email, say Outlook. Yan, say Dialer. For sales, just list it down. Right now nga kahit hindi pa siya relevant eh. If you feel na magagamit siya sa online transactions, then just list it all down. And then the idea here is to get as much information as possible dahil itong spreadsheet na to, yung mga information here will serve as our leads when we go into a job board and look for a job. The more information that you can, the better. So once you have your list ready, it's now time for you to go on over to the job boards and see yung mga relevant jobs in relation doon sa mga skills na nilista mo. So for this one, go on to upwork.com and dun tayo maghahanap ng relevant jobs. Okay, so once na nasa Upwork ka na, all you have to do is go to the search field and dun natin ipa-plug yung mga search terms na nakuha natin. We'll get it from our list. So click this and make sure na nandun ka sa jobs. And then the very first thing on our list is phone support. So we'll use that. So just key in phone support and then hit on enter. Okay. So as you can see, yung first keyword pa lang natin, we already have 1,000 plus jobs available. So it just goes to show na yung mga jobs na hinahanap natin, available na siya. Marami na clients na naghahanap ng support for that job. And it's just up to us to look for them. Kasi available na siya, andyan na siya. It's just waiting for us to apply to those kinds of jobs. Okay, so once that we have the list down, nasa Upwork, let's go through all of the job postings and then look at that one by one. So open the job post and check the actual listing. Ano ba yung mga kailangan niya? So read through the job description. Tingnan mo kung pasok ba siya sa skill set mo. Kaya mo ba yung workload? Alam mo ba yung mga pinapagawa niya? Okay ba sa'yo yung rates? Sakto ba yung tasks? Baka naman sobrang overworked ka. So those are the things that you need to check doon sa job posting niya. Now it says here that they're hiring for UK Telecom's process and its voice. So since sabi mo sa list mo, nag-handle ka ng telecoms, it means that you're qualified for this. It is a sales process. So kung nakapag-sales ka na rin before, let's say upselling, pasok din siya sa skill set mo. Shift will be for UK, so that's about mid-shift sa atin, around sometime in the afternoon to late night, ganyan, yung time slot niya. So candidates should have experience in any international telecom process. So what does this mean? Yes, it's looking for people na may experience, but it doesn't necessarily have to be online experience. So kung newbie ka sa pag-online work, pero tamang mga 8 years ka na or 5 years ka na nag-BPO work, nag-handle ng telecoms account, then definitely you are more than qualified to apply for this job. So, basahin pa natin. Okay, ito yung interview venue. Walk-in interview. Alright, so it means that on-site siya. So, hindi siya remote work. And given that, then it might not be applicable for you because this seems to be in India, Kolkata, yata, if I'm not mistaken. So yun. So those are the things that you need to check when you read yung mga job postings. Let's look for another one. So skip muna natin yung mga VA postings. Let's just focus mainly for customer support or phone support since yun yung plinag natin na search term. So client success manager, it seems like another term for CSR. So let's check it out. Okay, to manage the agency's client accounts, provide customer service. Yes, so it's CSR. So it's going to be via emails and via calls then. So since their account is mostly run through LinkedIn, it's implied na kailangan alam mo gumamit ng LinkedIn. Customer service rep and appointment setting. Yan, appointment scheduling, sending job to tech, schedule organizing. So kung nag-handle ka ng telecoms and sanay ka na nagpapadala ng mga requests for tech visit, then it's somehow similar to this. So if that is the case, then yes, you are also qualified for this. Ito, customer service rep din. So voice and text. There will be a text system. So, likely para siyang chat siguro. Meron naman siyang escalation process. So, just take the easy ones. If you don't know it, then just escalate. Then, meron ka rin kailangan gawing outbound calls. At least once or twice a week, meron kang outbound calls. And then, you need to be okay working EST. Once you've gone through yung mga phone support searches, let's say naubos mo na yung 1,000 plus na yon, what you can do is also refine your search a bit. So, phone support, ano pa ba yung mga common terms for phone support? Let's say, call support. So, sales, lead gen, cold email person, cold calling, probably, customer service, customer support, handle chats and emails for e-com website. Yan. So, pasok ka din dito kung nag-handle ka na ng chat and email before. Once you've gone through yung phone support, you can go back to your list and then you can either go left or go down. So, you can start with email support or you can go with inbound. So, let's try inbound. Tingnan natin kung may papasok. So, meron pa rin. Then, yan, go through each and every job post ulit. Let's say email support. Yan, kung ikaw naman ayaw mo na mag-calls and you'd rather do emails, let's say gusto mo ng flexi work or meron kang bata na maingay sa background, maingay sa inyo, malapit ka sa highway, and you just want to do email work, then you can go ahead and just look for email support jobs. That's how you can leverage yung mga skills na nakuha mo from your BPO experience and para madala mo siya sa online industry. Because the skills that you have from your BPO experience, it's also needed in the online industry. So don't think na wala kang experience. Wala kang experience sa online setting. But yung work in itself, you have the basic skills now that you can already leverage. Now, the tip that I can share with you when this is like your first time to transition as well is that for you to stop focusing on the job title. Huwag kang mag-focus lang na, o dapat customer service rep lang, or CSR lang, or phone support lang. I mean, you can do that. However, it will limit you. Malilimitahan yung mga pwede mong applyan. So instead of you focusing on the job title, I suggest that you focus on the skills na natutunan mo with regard to that job title. So there, that's how you can make use of your BPO experience to look for online jobs. Now, if you want now to apply for those jobs, kaya lang hindi ka masyadong magaling gumawa ng cover letter, I would like to invite you for my mini workshop. I will be having a mini workshop about cover letter writing, and this is specifically made for people who have BPO experiences like you. What we're going to do sa workshop is babalikan natin yung mga job posts na yon, and I will create a personalized cover letter based on that particular job post, and I will be showing that to you. So these are just not theories. I will really show you how I personally do it. And at the same time, I will be also I will be sharing with you a template that I use as I craft my own cover letters. Now, if you're interested to join, the link is below. Yeah, just click on that. And I hope to see you in there. See you soon.